Alright, welcome back to the channel. Keep this thing rolling here. Thanks for checking out the Topps Fire blaster box opening and all the other videos preceding that. Next one we're going to get into is the 2022 Topps Chrome. The only thing we had really of note is the Manaea 199 green foil. And a couple of inserts and whatnot for the Fire Blaster. Nothing really of note. So now we're going to get into the Topps Chrome. Pull those out. And we'll see if we can go through this a little bit quicker than the Topps Fire. I'll just put the packs up top here. I guess this says find 2 Serpia and 2 pink refractor parallels inside, amongst other things, of course. So we'll see. We'll see. So right off the bat, all right, we got Jarren Duran. Rookie card, Francisco Lindor. I like that Bo Bichette. It's a nice Bo Bichette there. Are these? I guess not. And Contreras. Topps Chrome is so nice. I just love the feel of the cards. It's a shame you only get 4 in a pack for how expensive they are. So nice. Cedric Mullins, Killerhoff, Pavin Smith, nice Miggy, very nice, 3,000 hits this year. And of course Max Muncy is the Serpia. I really hate this guy. So I guess I'll just put him off to the side there. So what else we got here? Nice Trevor Rogers Gold Cup. He just had a brutal year. I really bought into him this year for fantasy. And I had to cut him by the end of it. Excuse me. Luis Gurriel, George Springer in the 87. That's a nice little insert there. I love those 87 looks. And then, and if you like them too, you'll want to stick around for the box in the back there. Sammy Long rookie card. I just have terrible luck with blasters, man, especially for baseball. It's just boring. The hits really just don't come. See a little pink refractor back there, so, but that's one's a guaranteed. Mookie Betts. All right, so we got another different refractor. The Shane Bass, that's nice rookie card. Not a short print or anything. I forget what that's called though. Alright, so Alex Bregman base, and then Kyle Lewis is one of the pink refractors. Nothing numbered yet. So we got IKF still in the Rangers uniform. Jake Burger, rookie card. Excuse me, Brandon Marsh, rookie card, and Mitch Haniger. Zach Wheeler. Garcia Gold Cup, that's nice. All right, got Heart of the City, Rafael Devers. That's really nice. Very cool. Matt Manning, rookie, and then, all right, Jared is the other Serpia. I hope the kid pans out. It hasn't been a real promising start to the old career there. All right, last 2 packs. We got Goldie. I hate this guy more than I hate Max Muncy. Matt Olson, nice 87 parallel again. And Kevin Gausman base. All right, last pack. It's skinny, it's not fat, so there should be 1 pink Serpia still in here remaining. So I got the Kyle Lewis base. Tristan McKenzie, he did awesome this year, and I invested heavily in fantasy baseball, paid off big time. Oh, okay. So we do get an auto. Patrick Mazeika. There we go. I mean, Patrick Mazeika, it's not Francisco Alvarez, but it's an auto nonetheless, so very nice. Cool, cool. RAPM. I'll put that up there. Lance Lynn and Brian Reynolds rounds out the pack. Talk about off-centered. Wow. That's what you get when you play in the lottery called sports cards. So, oh no, I mean, we did get an auto, so that's kind of nice. A couple of A87 parallels, Matt Olson, Kellenic with the Serpia, Heart of the City, the Rafael Devers, very nice. Excuse me. So, and then I don't know what you call a super refractor. No, it's not a super refractor because it'd definitely be numbered. So I don't know. You guys have to go ahead, let me know in the comments what that is. It's nice. It's on a rookie card. So, and George Springer 87, and the other Serpia is the Max Muncy. So yeah, that's it. I feel like we did better in the Topps Chrome, just because of the auto, but doesn't really matter. I'm not selling, and it's not going anywhere for a while. It's going right in the collection. So hope you guys enjoyed. Stick around for one more video. We're gonna open the long box, and I'll show you the goodies that are in there. If you're a fan of Junk Wax, please stick around and check that out. And if not, thanks for watching all the modern openings. And see you in the next video. Have a good night.